So, this is a bit of a silly little video I want to show where I take two different keyboards. This is a chiclet style Bluetooth keyboard that's bundled with new Macs, and I'm going to record it with my condenser mic and compare it to this DSI Modular mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX Brown key switches, and I'll also do a typing test so you get a good feel for how these sound in a real typing environment. I'll get started with my Bluetooth. Okay, let's get this one fired up. Does it work? I have turned it on successfully. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, I got 105 words per minute with one error for 99% accuracy. So the adjusted speed is 104 words per minute on this keyboard, which is very quiet. And I have to say, it's not as bad as it looks. It's actually quite good for what it is, I think. I think it's really not as bad as some people make it out to be. But now we're gonna hear this monster over here. We can do the same one. Okay, let's go. Oops. Yeah, actually did really badly and only got 101 words per minute. I don't know what happened. I just couldn't hit anything. Anyways, yeah, so that's what these sound like in comparison. And that's what someone who types a little louder might sound like. But overall, this gives you a good idea, I think. Alright, thanks for watching.